Today I'm going to teach you how to use my digital concentration activity. Welcome, I'm Alyssa with Brighten Bless. I create digital resources for primary music leaders. Let's jump right in. When you open the file, you'll start on the title slide. This slide confirms that you're opening the right file at the right time. It includes a badge in the top left corner that shows the age group the activity is designed for. The next slide includes clickable links to video tutorials and instructions. The instruction page is also included on the last slide. It teaches how to play concentration in primary, not how to use PowerPoint. It also includes bonus tips and tricks for the specific concentration game you're using, so be sure to check it out. To use any of these links, you need to be in slideshow view. To enter slideshow view, use the slideshow ribbon at the top of the screen where you can choose to start from the beginning or display from the current slide, whichever works best for you. You can also select slideshow view by clicking the small presentation icon on the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in slideshow mode, the interactive elements, like flipping cards over, will work correctly. This is the key to making this activity work. You must be in slideshow mode. This activity includes two separate game boards, one for junior primary and one for senior primary. Each game board slide has a title slide just before it that clearly indicates the age it's intended for. The junior primary version includes numbers on the cards with fewer matching pairs. This keeps the activity simple, allowing children to call out two numbers while you flip the cards for them. The senior version includes more matching pairs and does not use numbers. This adds an extra challenge and allows you to engage the children more by letting them take turns clicking the cards themselves. One important thing to remember when choosing cards is to click only the cards themselves. Clicking the background will advance to the next slide and may cause you to lose the matches you have found. If someone accidentally clicks the background, it's okay. You can simply go back one slide and continue play without any issues. When you're finished, there's nothing you need to reset or save. You can just close the PowerPoint and it will be ready to use again the next time you open it. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident using digital concentration. If you're interested in an alternative, I have a printable version. To find more info and links to purchase, see the description below. I hope this helps make your teaching more joyful and simple.